Stuff, man. He's like, whoa, dude, don't be doing that.
One on one side over there and one right here. That's one up for the jacket. Oh.
I do want one of those guys.
Regular small dog.
That's cool. Yeah, that's cool.
Here I am down at the West Paseo of the Civic Center in Scottsdale, Arizona on March 9, 2024. The time is 10:04 a.m. Have multiple events going on down here today. One of which is starting to open up is a mercantile show down inside the Central Civic Center area. And then later on in the afternoon, there'll be a home baseball game, spring training game of the San Francisco Giants versus the Oakland A's, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. Starts at 1 p.m. So I'm just down here hanging out, seeing what people are doing. It's a little bit of a cool, breezy day. Had some rain yesterday, so a little bit of cool weather. It should get up to maybe 70, 72 today, something like that. So just shooting a little bit of video here. Started out with my 52mm lens, now I'm on my 26mm lens. Just sort of getting a slice of life of what goes on down here on any given day. Well, it wouldn't be any given day, more like a Saturday, busy Saturday. See a lot of people down here, some probably going to the mercantile fair. Some people walking their dogs, some people riding their bikes. Got, you can see the wind's blowing pretty good, breezy up there. Flags are waving around in front of the little museum. So I don't know if the mics are or the wind is impacting the mics any. Sometimes it can make the mic a little noisy. Just shoot a little bit of this here. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a slice of life video today. Splice it all together. Put it up on YouTube. See what's what. Alright, let me cut this short here. Then I'll maybe shoot some other little segments now and again, see what's going on down here. Alright.
What we are going to do is the flat loop. So here's your tutorial real quick. The flat loop, the way you want to start, okay? Now, some of you look a little slow. So, they call it a flat loop because it's flat. So let's take that around the room. Try to get a quick swing or two here. Try to do a little tap in move if you were good. And if I was really good, kind of fall loose. Thank you. Awesome. The show is a lot better after you put the yeah. Let's see if we can get the video ready. There we go. Alright, yeah. Something out of here, huh? Okay. That's called the wedding ring. The Charles and Vaqueros, they named all the chicks. And just like my life, my divorce is kind of sloppy, but I'll try to get out of it for you here. Yeah! So there you go. Get into the wagon wheel. That one. And if we're really good, we can take it right from the spin into the cash. Oh, there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. for this show because you are going to learn how to rope. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on roping a steer, and then you get to try it. Yes! Oh, you held on again. Now I gotta shoot you.